Hello, everyone. It's NM86HS here, and today I'm recording this for with a situation that Blizzard had a few days ago about sexual harassment. This suit is like a 2 year investigation, um, despite all the circumstances. So I'm just want to say that Blizzard didn't do anything wrong. Maybe some of its employees needs to not touch women inappropriately. And I just want to say, in the circumstances, that this may be a hard thing to Activision Blizzard because I know Blizzard is a multi billionaire company. And the reason why the multi billionaire company didn't do anything wrong, it's just that some of its employees have brought something that was inappropriate towards women or female employees of Blizzard. So, and this is a tolerance of sexual harassment. Um, this is a serious crime, no matter the circumstances or the facts. It's just that women are being harassed or becoming victim of harassment. And this is the touchy subject to most people. And even those who don't know Blizzard, Blizzard is known for creating the Warcraft series in the early 90s to like 2004 when it did its first MMORPG called World of Warcraft. So it's been years now, even roughly it is. Um, I just found out that sexual harassment is a really big problem. And it's not only Blizzard, but the state of California. Um, I know these are very touchy subjects at this time, but I just want to talk through this because I've seen a lot of people saying this shockingly. Say, like Asmongold, he says in the circumstances that someone have committed by taking someone else's life. Like, the female employee killed herself. And this is really sad, but I'm not pulling more of the subject. It's just that when many people are being like one of those days, like we don't care or any of the sort. No, they are seriously being sued, and this is a shocking fact. Even though I didn't seem to care about their lawsuits, they have really good lawyers to defend themselves when they have a platform to stand on. And this is what I believe Blizzard is going to do, the actual thing to defend themselves from a falsified fact, unless if it's proven to have some of its employees needs to be trained to prevent any of that circumstance. When I mean circumstances, I mean like sexual harassment is a big no-no to Blizzard's company, even their policies too. um, I know what you guys are thinking, but this is the actual truth. Now, I know Blizzard really much since I played it since the Burning Crusade came out. And that was like, I think somewhere around 2007. Um, or maybe it's a little after Burning Crusade came out. And I was around like 9ish or something. That's the real truth. But out of the Warcraft thing, we just want to know that Blizzard is being sued. And this upsets many people, no matter the circumstances. This is not a personal crusade against them. It's not any of the sort that can go against them. It's just that it's defining Blizzard. And this is not a point of defending them. I mean, they need some really good advices from their lawyers because who is suing Blizzard? Like, this is a shocking matter. I don't know what you guys are going to say, but again, I'm not making it sound too harshly to Blizzard, but I just want to know when these circumstances come up. And, and I feel bad for one female employee who took her own life all because of a nude photo from their holiday. And this is also a zero tolerant thing in their company to bring nudes or something inappropriate. So I think my message to Blizzard right now is basically um, just a straight up forward fire some employees that are doing something that is inappropriate. Um, Take them to jail. Do any of that, and then we can prevent this lawsuit just avoidedly. Then everything will be all right, and just hire new employees and train them so they won't have this sexual harassment going on. Okay, I just want to say, just to be so sure, if anyone didn't know of you, um, Activision Blizzard are being sued over sexual harassment, and they just added to the fact. I'm surprised when I first looked at it, and then Asmongold's reaction and all that sorts. So I'm sorry this is a touchy subject on this particular matter, but I want to get it all out so everyone can reach me. Don't forget to follow me on Twitch. I sometimes stream around like 8 to 11 ish, I should say, on the Eastern time, and similar to your times, like Central. I should say around 7 to like, I don't know, 10 ish. And then the Pacifics, it's actually 5 to 8. So don't let anything confuse you or anything of the sort. And I'll see you guys in the stream once you see me live. Alright, this is all I'm going to say. This is M86 signing out.